Good Morning, Who's Snoring? Written by Amanda Mincherton, illustrated by Rita Parkinson. Good morning, who's snoring? Good morning, who's snoring? Smiled Sun as it shone through the crack in Benny's bedroom curtains. Not I, said Benny as he flung back the blankets. Benny opened the curtains and saw the sun peeking at him over the water tank. He reached under the bed for his rubber boots and pulled them on. Opening the back door, he stepped outside. Brrr, it was cold. Good morning, who's snoring? Said Benny. Not I, meowed the cat as Benny picked up his coat from the chair and found her curled up underneath. Good morning, who's snoring? Said Benny. Not I, barked Chip the big yellow dog as he leapt out from his kennel. Good morning, who's snoring? Said Benny. Not I, baaed the sheep, scrambling to her feet. Good morning, who's snoring? Said Benny. Not I, bleated the goat as she jumped onto the roof of her shed. Good morning, who's snoring? Said Benny. Not I, grunted the pig as he trotted to his food trough. Benny walked over to the hen house, followed by Chip and the cat called Scat. Good morning, who's snoring? Said Benny. Not us, said the hens as they fluffed up their feathers to show their eggs underneath. Carefully, Benny placed the eggs in his pockets, 2 in the left and 2 in the right. He fed the hens their grain and set off back to the house. Benny could hear Mum humming a little song. He walked into the kitchen. Good morning, who's snoring? He sang. Not I, smiled Mum as she placed the eggs into the pot to boil. Benny took his boots off and crept down the hall. Good morning, who's snoring? Shouted Benny as he jumped onto the bed next to Dad. I am, laughed Dad. Go away, it's Sunday, he said, and he pulled the blankets up over his head.